The last class we discussed about the list. I told that it was a first part where we discussed what is list, how to print a list in Python. And also it is one of the data structure supported by the Python. So and we know, keep in mindset what is list. It's a one where we can mix multiple data types, and also we can do anything with the list concept. And also mutable means what? That means changeable one. So today we are going to see some of the operations in the list, how to create a list again, and what kind of you can list or join one list plus another, and some of the built-in functions supported with the list like that. Let's go for the execution. The particle system, we are going to see first example. I am going to create a list called n, where I am going to, all of you, and remember, whenever you create a list, you should be come with a square bracket only. I am creating numbers like 12, 34, 2, then 6, 7, 89 like that. Sorry, 89, 67, 89. So I am going to create a list called n, where I am giving some multiple values here, and close bracket and enter. So n, when I give n, the value will be displayed here. So totally. So all of you, again repeating, whenever list concept is similar to arrays in C language, here also what happened, the index start from 0, 0th position 12 will be there, first position 34 will be there, and the second position 2 will be there, third position 6, 7, and so on, like that will be there. Is it possible to apply negative indexing? Yeah, Python support negative indexing also. So from whenever go for any one, we start from -1. So what is in the list last value? This is a -1, this is a -2, this is a -3, and so on we take. For example, I want to print n of -1, just execution. So -1 like that, giving indexing, it support negative index, so print 89, last element. So I want now, by default I want print a second element here, 0, 1. So this is a 0th element, 1 and 2. I want directly print negative, so I can give the list to a name, n of 2 like that, and check it out. Enter. So successfully executed, you are getting an answer 2, because the second position 2 only is there. So like that, if you give n of 3 like that, now I want to print from print from second. So I want from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to print from second, means second onwards, leaving the last element. I can give a subscription. So n of 2 colon, I can try now, 2 colon, no end, just give enter and check. So from after 2, from second to at last it go and print. There is no, I didn't give any subscription point. So like that you can use the indexing and negative like that. So similarly, now I am going to create another list called names, where I am going to give some of things like John, some of the names I am giving John, then I am giving typing Peter, then I am giving another name called Smith. Example, we are getting another name list called names, where I am giving like this, square bracket and close bracket. So when I give names, what happen, it will print the results like that. Okay, and now we see the example for multiple values. Can you give multiple data types in the Python? Yeah, it is possible. So for example, I am going to create value, the list name called value, where I am going to mix the data types. For example, I am giving 12, 89.5, that is float variable, float data type, and giving the name strings also. Hi, enter, and I can print now value. So when I give list, it's supported by Python, beautiful feature. So to print all the values like that, mutable. So whenever you open, you can change any data, you can change, so like that do. And is it possible to concatenate two lists? Yeah, concatenate join two lists possible in Python. Definitely possible. How do you do? For example, I want to connect join n and names. So I want to combine two lists. I can so what happen? I can create the third name here called list called name. Third list called m, where I have to combine the two things. So I can give simply n this list number, first list name n, where another one called names. So like that I can give one close square bracket and enter. No trace bracket, it will show here. So just I press M and print the values here. Yeah, successfully created here. So you can see the values, what are the value in the n, it's showing, and also combined with another one names, what are the values in the names is combining and showing. So like that can combine or concatenate two lists easily in the Python. Very useful and easy and supported by the list like that. Now can you do some operations here? Some of the operations supported by default and some of the built-in functions are support given by the Python easily. Let's go for now this one. So assume that we have again the list called n, where you can do some operations like that. You can start from here, where check the list here. So you can start from here. We can do the operation like insert like that. Insert of append. Okay. So you append insert like that. Okay. Now we have operation already list called n. Now I want append. I want insert only one value. So I can give append of some values. I can give 88 like that. So I can give enter and check it. There's no error, net rows packer, and again typing n and check it. So we have successfully inserted the element called 88. So at last the new element will be deleted. So now we can say another method to insert. Do you want to insert multiple values in Python? Yes, you can do it. So if you want to insert, sorry, one second. Here and check it here, where you can try. Yeah, we can do insert also. Insert is there and extend is there. Okay, insert. So I want to give insert some values. When you go for say, when you go append, by default you can insert any value at the end of the list. Now insert, the beautiful picture of insert is you can insert some number based on the index. For example, here I want to 0, 1, 2 is there. For example, in the second position I want to insert the value called 54. So I can give 2, 54 like that. So what will happen in the second index, the new element will be added. Let's check and enter here. Check the result here. Yeah. So second position, the index of second, the 54 will be added like that. So when you go append, we can insert only one value, and when you go insert, it will support for index also. You can specify the index position and you can insert the extra like that. If you give 4 like that, after this one it will insert some value like that. So like that you can use the insert operation. So like that you can do many things. Now we can use another option called remove. Suppose I want to remove particular element, I can give n dot remove of, I want to remove here 34. So I can give n dot, sorry, I given dot comma here, n dot remove of 34. I want to remove the particular element, just I can give and enter. So you can check again n and no traceback error. So 34 will be removed. So remaining element show here. So successfully you can remove the element like that. So you can do like that, and moreover you have one more option called pop. So you know push and pop, where you study in the stack. If you have computer science knowledge, stacking. So when I give pop permission, there will be two options given the pop. Either you can give without anything, that is n dot pop. So when you give pop, what will happen? The last element by default deleted. Just I am going and check it here. So 88, last element in the list is 88. So one more option, beautiful option supported by Python. Suppose I want to remove some particular element based on the index, I can do with the remove the element based on the index also. It will support by the pop method. So for that one I can give n dot pop up of. For example, I want insert, I want delete this second element, I can give 0, 1, 2. So I can give 2, I can give directly pop up 2 like that. We are not insert, just to pop up to 0, 1. So 0 first 1 second, so 2 will be automatically removed. We check it here. So there popped out the delete elements 2, and again I am pressing n and check the values whether successfully execute, successfully deleted. So whenever you index number, based on that also can do the delete operation in the help of in the Python with the help of pop like that, pop and pop like that. Let's go for next one. So like that, and do you want to delete multiple elements? It is possible. Yeah, in Python, if you want to delete multiple elements, you can do it with the help of delete option, n of subscription. So we can give n in the bracket. I want delete 0, 1, 2 from second onwards, second to last element. Here we have only 4 elements. Just I can press here and colon, single colon and square bracket. So from 0 1 2, so from 2 and onwards I don't want all elements, so I can give delete n in the square bracket 2 colon and close so square bracket and enter here. So successfully deleted. How can I check? Again we press n and check it. Now you may have only 1 or 2 values. So now one more option supported by Python, that is called extend. What is this of extend here? The extend, with the help of extend keyword or view operation, we can insert multiple values at a time in the list. So we have only 2 values. I can give extend. So I can give int dot extend of. So easy and simple. You can practice more. In the square bracket, I want to insert values like 32, 45, 20. So at a time I can insert multiple values here. Okay, so just close bracket properly, square bracket, okay, and enter. There's no error here. Now when we enter and n and check, yeah, the values will be successfully inserted. So like that. So insert, you can insert only element, okay, or else you can append for you can insert the element at last. We should be careful and see the difference. Extend, we can give multiple values at a time in the list, like that. You can create a list and extend with extend keyword multiple 2, 3, 4, 5, as much you want you can do. Okay, like that you can use the extend operation. So now we go for some of the built-in operations supported by this one, where I can use minimum. I want to find the minimum of the above one n values in the out of the list called n. I can give minimum of n. It will be print 12. So minimum, like that I can check maximum. Do you want to find maximum? You can give maximum of the list name called n, giving it printed. Now like that I can print sum of. I want to print sum of n, so I can give sum of the list name is n. I'm giving like this. It print the total thing like that. So like that you can do number of operation. When you give n dot clear, it will clear the list like that based on the ideally. So we are everything we are doing in the Python 3.8. Ideally it's the latest one. So now I want to sort. Can you sort elements in the list? You can do. So like for that one you can use n dot sort of. Okay, the name is n. So list name is n. I can give n dot sort of and check it here. So I can give n and see the result here. Yeah, successfully sorted. So we will give the sorted answer 12, 20, 32, 45, 54 and so on. So like that you can do n number of operations in the list. So you keep in mind, sir, list is a one where you can do data elements. We can similar to, it's not difficult to like Java or some other program language. We can insert elements, we can do and can mix data types, we can mingle or concatenate two list, whatever the list having the data elements, different data elements. So like that you can do multiple operations. Okay, these are things remember about the list in the Python concept. This is part number 2, where first part number 1 told how to like that, how to delete, how to do everything. We have seen still lot of built-in functions supported by Python. We see these are basic things. You can practice well with this kind of data. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and comment in the Postbox channel, and please share and connect with the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn IDs. Thank you.